Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Kubernetes with Minikube for local clusters, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a compatible environment for Minikube. Install a virtualization software like VirtualBox, VMware, or HyperKit, as Minikube requires it to run. Visit the Minikube GitHub releases page to download the latest version suitable for your operating system. For Windows, download the executable and add its location to your system path. For Mac OS, you can use Homebrew. Open your terminal and type brew install Minikube. For Linux, use the curl command provided on the Minikube GitHub page to download. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt to start Minikube. To start a local Kubernetes cluster, type Minikube start and hit enter. Minikube will automatically configure the Kubernetes environment. Wait for the process to complete, which may take several minutes. You can check the status of your cluster by typing Minikube status. If the status shows that the cluster is running, you're ready to interact. To access the Kubernetes dashboard, type Minikube dashboard and press enter. This will open a web interface where you can visualize and manage your Kubernetes resources. Now, let's deploy a simple application. Create a YAML file for your deployment, defining your application specifications. You can use kubectl create deployment, app name, image sadface image name, to deploy directly from the command line. Verify your deployment with the command kubectl get deployments. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your application. Expose your application to access it outside of the cluster with kubectl expose deployment, app name, type equals node port sadface port. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.